Hi, I'm Sean from Rocoli, and here are the key reasons you should be using the EASYLINE Edge applicator system. You're in control. Instant line marking for small to medium areas. Paint sharp, bright and durable lines quickly. Also, it reduces downtime. Touch dry in 10 minutes, traffic ready in 30 minutes. It's quick to assemble and easy to use, which means no experience or tools needed. It also reduces costs, no need to employ contractors. You can use it for marking car parks, warehouses, stores, factory floors and other hard flat surfaces. You can also use it for zebras or any indoor and outdoor stencils using our handheld applicator.